Hello everyone, and I'm on a trail walking downhill here in Switzerland, and you can see that there's lots of pebbles and rocks, and I have to be careful that I don't slip and injure myself. And I'm actually focusing on my fascia to help me with that, specifically the tendons and the ligaments. And did you know that, for example, your Achilles tendon is more than 50% water, and I'm focusing on the water in the tendons to reduce any excessive vibration or shaking of the ligaments and the associated joints. I'm imagining the fibers surrounded by fluid, and this fluid is actually reducing the vibration just like a guitar string in water, you can imagine. So fascia is mostly made of extracellular matrix, which is fibers, and ground substance. Ground substance is made of glycosaminoglycans, which bind a lot of water. And this water, these little packets of water, are helping me to reduce vibration and shaking that we don't want in the joint. So here we go. I'm focusing on my Achilles tendon. I'm focusing on my patellar tendon. And I'm imagining the fluid in there, and this is healthy fluid, so don't think this is anything we don't want. It's in there, and it's really helping me to have more comfort in my knees and in my ankles. Give it a try. Fascia dynamic imagery really works. You can use it anytime, as you can see, outdoors, during exercise, and so forth. So lots of fun. And I'm going to have a free fascia embodiment webinar coming up very soon. Would love to see you there. We're going to learn a lot of things we can do for our fascia through embodiment. Have a wonderful day and stay healthy.